Hey everyone, Jan here today from Needle, and in today's video I'm going to showcase you our newest integration of Needle into OneDrive and how you can automatically sync your files from OneDrive now to Needle and make this data which you have within OneDrive searchable. So first of all, I'm here within Needle and I created a new collection which I call Needle-OneDrive, and I can go over here to my connectors and I can set up a new connector. And if I scroll down here, then I can see here also that I have the OneDrive connector. And so it is going to sign me into my OneDrive account, Microsoft OneDrive account. And now I can actually say here, please open up the pop-up window, which is going to pop up a window with the specific items that I would like to track. In this case, I will have here a folder with a specific file in it, Needle Discovery Overview, as well as I want to track like a standalone file, which I call test document Needle, and it's a docs file. So once I select them, you see they are selected, the window is closing, and we are back here in our Needle interface, and we are tracking the folder product, as well as we are tracking a single file, which is this docs file. Now we can give it a specific name. And I'm choosing Needle-OneDrive connector. Let's hit on create connector. And as you see now, the OneDrive connector has been created. Now we have to wait for a bit so that these files which we actually are tracking are getting indexed by the Needle backend. And as you see now, they are successfully indexed. I see here success, 2 files, and I see the docs file as well as the PDF overview. And if I click over here, I can also see what kind of document is inside here. And I created here some sample document, which I called Employee Profile of John Doe, a senior software engineer. Now, if I go back here to Needle and I go to the chat, I can ask specific questions based on my data, and Needle also already recommends some sample questions based on your data. So I can, for example, ask what specific performance metrics are used to evaluate John Doe's work at TechCorp Solutions. And as you see now, we are getting an answer here, quarterly reviews, code review approval rate, 90% approval rate. And we can always cross-check that by where this data comes from. And you see this highlighted here, that this actually comes from the docs document. And we can also redirect here to our document always and see that this information really comes also from this document and is not hallucinated. So you can always get really high quality outputs, traceable, and make sure that the data that you're looking at and the answers that you're getting from Needle are all also not hallucinated. They're correct with the highest quality search that you can find there right now. So you can also see I quickly search for 95, and as you see here, performance metrics has quality reviews, his code reviews approval rate is 95%, and he has resolved over 500 GitHub issues this year. We go back here to our Needle interface, we see exactly that this has been also here been answered by Needle with the correct references. Thank you very much for watching. We're actually really excited about this newest integration of Needle into OneDrive, and so that you can nowadays connect your OneDrive to Needle and search the files, folders as PDFs, PowerPoints, docs, and so on, Excel files that you have within your OneDrive and make them searchable through this agentic chat here with Needle, and also combine it with other data sources. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us, send us a DM, send us a question, and we're really excited to see what you are building with Needle. See you soon.